How long did you say has this been going on, Mark?
2.5 years. Yeah. 2.5 years of planning. Yeah.
And now it's all coming together.
Yeah, it's worth it.
Daar's 'n boomslang in Kirstenbosch en dis nie gemaak van vlees en bloed nie, maar eerder staal en hout. Die boomslang is 'n mensgemaakte wandelbrug wat hoog by die grond en tussen die bome kronkel. Die argitek is Thomas en hy het vir Murray La Vita gaan wys hoe die projek vorder.
The arboretum is a ready magical without anything in it. So it's got these magical curving paths.
Yes.
And the idea was, how can we insert another curving structure within those curving paths? Kirstenbosch is such a special place. The last thing we want to do is turn it into a fun fair type experience for people, and it must still feel special. So actually this walk will just be signposted like every other opportunity that there is in Kirstenbosch. It will start within the arboretum, it ends in the arboretum. There'll be small notice boards telling people where to go. But really the achievement, I believe, in this walk will be, if people don't even know it's there, then we will have achieved something. It's very non-dominant when you're in the garden. You hardly get a view of it from anywhere on the lawns. So it's not an overbearing structure that shines over everyone. The biggest danger with this project is corrosion, because this is a steel structure and we're near the coast.
Okay,
So
what
we've done is it's obviously, the thing is hot dip galvanized, which means it goes into a tank of hot zinc, each piece, and then it's got 2 coats of epoxy on it, and then 2 further coats of top coats of the color. So these are called myrtle quince trees, and what we've done is we've actually cable strutted them down so that the bottom of them is completely stable. The tops can still move, so they can still move as trees do, but it means that actually there's a tree coming right through the walkway, which will help the experience of being part of an arboretum, which is all about trees actually. But that's the big viewpoint, if you like. So it's a bit like a snake that swallowed a bokkie in that position. So as it gets wider, the structure gets fatter. I don't know if you can see that, but the whole structure actually increases in size to handle the width.
Fantastic.
And that's all part of the structural ingenuity of it. This rail is actually a lean rail more than a handrail, so the height of it is such that it's very comfortable to just spend time on. Obviously this still needs to be sanded completely smooth and sealed with oil. And this is slightly higher than a bar counter. So we've got 1.2 meters up. And the idea was to be able to stand and just spend time listening to the birds, looking out at the trees, looking at the view. But it's very much a player in how the bridge feels, is that actually while you're looking at timber, you're going to feel this beautifully smooth, lovely, lovely, soft, warm rail. So we've used the structural logic of the thing to actually inform its shape. So nothing is almost for show, it's all for... It's expressing a structure. So even the size of the cutouts and the shape of the cutouts is linked to where are the forces working hardest.
Okay, fantastic.
So that's where we worked with the engineer very closely, and we did sketching sessions, one at his office, one at my office. It was a total collaboration between architect and engineer, because it's a Meccano set. The whole thing is a Meccano set of pieces, as you can imagine.